Welcome to exercise 5.2, installing and configuring the BranchCache as part of the Microsoft official academic course in preparation for exam 70-412. This is configuring advanced Windows Server 2012 services R2, and we are currently reviewing chapter 5, which is configuring advanced file solutions. Oops. So this video should take approximately 30 minutes to complete this lab. So let's get started with server 1. Okay, so here I am on server 1. And I'm going to close out of this automatic refresh. Alright, we're going to go ahead and click on Manage, Add Roles and Features. Next. Next. We're going to select server 1. And then next. And we're going to expand the file and storage services. And expand file as SCSI services. We want to select the BranchCache for network files. And then next. We're going to select the BranchCache and the features. And then next. And then install. Now we're going to go into the RWDC01, which I already have up. And I want to click on Tools and Active Directory Users and Computers. So I'm going to move this over a little bit so I can see what's going on. And I'm going to adjust my section here a little bit. Okay. We're going to right-click contoso.com, so left-click, right-click, and we want to do New Organizational Unit. And we're going to type in Servers, and then OK. And then we're going to close the Active Directory Users and Computers. Flip over here to server 1. This has been completed. I'll go ahead and close. Back on the RWDC, I'm going to go into Tools. And then this time I'm going to go into Group Policy Management. And then I'm going to navigate and right-click the server's organizational unit. Minimize this. Just want to expand this a little bit so it just gives us a little bit more to see. And now we're going to right click on that and click on Create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Here we're going to type in BranchCache for servers in the name user box, and then click on OK. We're going to expand the servers, actually we already did, and now we're going to right click the BranchCache for servers GPO, and we're going to go into Edit. When the Group Policy Management Editor opens, we want to expand the computer configurations. Okay, I'm just going to minimize this for now. Maximize this. And expand this a little bit just so we can see a little bit better. So underneath computer configuration, I want to expand policies. and then expand administrative templates, and then expand network. And then find the landmin server, which is right here. So we're going to double click hash publication for BranchCache. And it's going to bring up our dialog box. And then we want to click on enabled. In the options, we want to click on allow. So that's already selected. Allow hash publication for all shared folders. Then we're going to go ahead and click on OK. And we're going to close the group policy management editor. And I'm going to close out of this. Go back to, we're going to flip over to server 1. Move that into play. And I'm going to minimize the server manager for a moment. We want to go into our file explorer. And we're going to create a folder on the C drive. So right click, new folder, shared folder, enter. Right click, properties. Now we're going to click on the sharing tab. Click on advanced sharing. And we're going to select share this folder. And then click on OK. And then close. And now we're going to close the file explorer. Now we're going to go back to server manager. Select tools. And go into computer management. Under System Tools, which is System Tools is right here, we want to expand the shared folder. And we want to click on Shares. Now we want to right-click the shared folder. So right-click and go into Properties. We're going to click on Offline Settings. And make sure that only the files and programs that user specify are available offline is selected. And we're going to click to enable BranchCache. And then OK. And then OK again. And we're going to close out of computer management. And now we're going to flip back to the RWDC. I'm going to go through the tools, group policy management, expand the group policy objects, and right-click default domain policy, and then edit. Now, I just realized that I've missed a few of the questions. But right now, by default, which branch cache mode is used by Windows 8 machines is going to be the question. Before that, what must all servers in a branch cache infrastructure have? See if I can find what question 1 was. Oh, question 1 was what type of access is available to the NFS share? Okay. Now we want to navigate to computer configuration, expand policies, expand administrative templates, and then expand network node. Then we're going to click the branch cache. We want to double click set branch cache distributed cache mode, and then select enabled. And then click on OK. And we're going to close the group policy management editor, and then close the group policy management. And that is the end of exercise 5.2 and the end of this exercise. The next exercise will be looking at using file classification.